Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Yesterday we were discussed the moles. Today we are going to discuss the Avogadro's number. So first I am going to define you the Avogadro number. So the Avogadro number can be defined as the number of particles. The particles may be atoms, ions, or molecules present in 1 mole of a substance is called Avogadro number. Avogadro number is a number. For the first time, a Medu Avogadro scientist present this number. So now this number is upon his name, Avogadro's number. And Avogadro number of particles, in the particles may be atoms, ions or molecules. They will be present in 1 mole of a substance. It is a constant number. Avogadro number is a constant number. It has a fixed value and its fixed value is 6.023 multiplied by 10 power 23. It is a constant number and its value is constant 6.023 into 10 power 23. Remember this value. It can be represented by NA, capital N, capital A, but A will be written below the N slightly at right side. So Avogadro number can be represented by NA. It is only a number. We discussed that mole is a number as well as quantity. Mole is a quantity as well as number, but Avogadro number is just a number. For example, 1 mole of hydrogen atom is equal to 1 gram. We discussed that when atomic mass or molecular mass or formula mass expressed in gram, then it is called mole. So atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. When we written it in gram, so it is mole. How many particles will be present in 1 mole of hydrogen atom? 6.023 multiplied by 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Similarly, 1 mole of carbon atom is equal to 12 gram because the atomic mass of carbon is 12. Carbon contains 6 proton and 6 neutron. So its atomic mass or mass number is 12. So how many how many atoms of carbon will be present in 1 mole? Their Avogadro number 6.023 multiplied by 10 power 23 atoms of carbon. And 1 mole of oxygen molecule is equal to 32 gram. 32 gram. Because atomic mass of oxygen is 16 and there are 2 oxygen. So 2 multiplied by 16 is equal to 32. So 1 mole of oxygen molecule is equal to 32 gram. What will be the Avogadro number? How many particles of oxygen molecule will be present in 1 mole? 6.023 multiplied by 10 power 23 molecule of oxygen. And 1 mole of water molecules, we know that atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and there are 2 hydrogen. Atomic mass of 1 hydrogen is 1, so 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. And atomic mass of oxygen is 16, so 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. So 1 mole of water molecule is equal to 18 gram. How many particles of water will be present in 1 mole? 6.023 multiplied by 10 power 23 molecules of water. And 1 mole of sodium ions. 1 mole of sodium ions. So we know that the atomic mass of sodium is 23. So what will be the mass of sodium ions? The same, because atomic mass is the mass of proton and neutron. Sodium ion has lost the electron. So the mass of sodium ion and the mass of sodium atom will be the same, 23. So 1 mole of sodium ion is equal to 23 gram is equal to how many particles of sodium ions will be present in 1 mole? 6.023 multiplied by 10 power 23 ions. So now we are coming toward the mole particle calculation. If you have any question, okay. Mole particle calculation. There are two formulas for mole particle calculation. First, number of moles is equal to number of particles divided by Avogadro number. We know that number of particles, they may be atoms, ions or molecules. So when we divide number of particles, number of atom, number of ions or number of molecules by Avogadro number, so we can get the number of moles. Similarly, number of particle is equal to number of mole multiplied by Avogadro number. We can represent the number of mole by small n and Avogadro number by Na. Now we are going to solve this example upon these formulas. For example, how many mole are present in 12.046 multiplied by 10 power 24 molecules of water? So here now we are coming toward the solution. First, given data. Which things are given us? Number of molecules. How many molecules are present in the example? 12.046 multiplied by 10 power 24. What is Avogadro number? We know that Avogadro number is a constant number. Avogadro number is a constant number whose value is 6.023 multiplied by 10 power 23. Required. What we want to calculate? We have to calculate a number of moles from these two values. Number of moles is required. Formula. Number of mole is equal to number of molecule divided by Avogadro number. So these values are given. What are the number of molecules? 12.046 multiplied by 10 power 24. What is Avogadro number? 6.023 multiplied by 10 power 23. So now look here. If we divide 12.046 by 6.023, so we can obtain the 2 figure. Now look here, 2 multiplied by 10 power 24. This power can be subtracted from this, minus 23. So 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20 moles. How many moles are present in 12.046 multiplied by 10 power 24 molecules of water? 20 moles. Okay, you have any question in this? Okay, now I am giving some homework to you. You have to solve these example in the home. These two examples, these are based upon the mole particle calculation, Avogadro number, mole particle calculation. These two examples are upon the mole particle calculation. Now, these are two other examples. These are based upon the mole mass calculation. These are based upon the mole mass calculation. You have to solve these examples. Okay. If you have any questions, so you can ask. Wish you best of luck.